under matrices, for example, we have A equal to 1, 2, then B equal to 3, 4. You are told to find AB. AB means A times B. Now, to solve this, all you just need to do is to write 1, 2, then write 3, 4. Now, the way you multiply is going to be like this. To this, to this. So, 1 times 3 plus 2 times 4. 1 times 3 plus 2 times 4. So, this will give you 1 times 3 plus 2 times 4. And this will give you 1 times 3 is 3. 2 times 4 is 8. What was 3 plus 8? 3 plus 8 is 11. You understand? So this one here multiplied by 3. Then add 2 plus 4. So that's how you multiply some matrices. I also have another example. Let's try this. Let's try this out. So we have something like this. 2, 3, 6, 4. Now we have 5, 9, 7, 11. Now this is A equal to this and B equal to this, and you are told to multiply, get AB. Now how do we get AB? You first of all write this will go like this, this, then this. You see, you're going to take it like this now. So we'll take the first part now. To simplify it, we just draw a very big bracket and write 2 times 5 plus 3 times 9 plus 3 times 9. Then the next part will now be 2 times 7 plus 3 times 11. The next part will now be 6 times 5 plus 4 times 9. Then the next part will now be 6 times 7 plus 4 times 11. Now this is what we will do. Draw our bracket again here. So from what we have here now, we have 2 times 5, which is 10, 3 times 9, which is 27, 2 times 7, which is 14, 3 times 11, which is 33. Then the next part, we have 6 times 5, which is 30, 4 times 9, which is 36, 6 times 7, which is 42, plus 44. And from what we have here, 10 plus 27 will give us 37. 14 plus 33 will give us 47. 42 plus 44 will give you 86. Then 30 plus 36 will give you 66. So this is what we will get: 37, 47, 66, 86. So when you are multiplying matrices, you will take this. You will take it if you are doing it like this now. For example, this and this is dash 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 dash. This dash dash now will first come here and take this one. This same dash dash will still come here and take this one. Then this dash dash you see here now will come here and take this one again. Then this dash dash you see here will still come and take this other one here. And so this here, this here, this here, this here. That's how you multiply a matrix. So this here, this again will still come here, the same. Then this one here will still come again, come and affect this one. So that one will still come again and affect this one here. That's how you multiply matrices. That's how you multiply matrices. So let's try more questions and see what we get. So in a situation where we now have cos x minus sin x, cos x, sin x minus sin x, cos x, and we are told to solve this. How do we go about it? We are told to multiply these two. The first thing, remember, we take it like this, like this, like this, like this, then like this, and like this, like this. So cos x times cos x, what we have here is going to give us cos x times cos x. Then what we have here is minus sin x. We have minus, so it will be plus here. We have minus sin x times minus sin x. That's the next step. Then this part, cos x times sin x, that's what's going to be here now. Cos x sin x, cos x sin x, minus sin x times cos x, minus sin x times cos x will give you minus cos x sin x. So that's one part. Then in this other part here, we come here now, we'll check sin x cos x. What we have here now is sin x cos x. Sin x cos x. Then in this part now, we have minus sin x cos x. Minus sin x cos x. Because we are using this to multiply this. We'll take it like this now. Then in this part, we have sin x times sin x, which is sin square x. Because sin x times sin x will give you sin square x. Cos x times cos x will give you cos square x. Plus cos square x. So from what we have now, to give us cos x times cos x will give you cos square x. Sin x times sin x will give you plus sin square x. This will go because they are the same, 0. This will go because they are the same, 0. Then this will give us 1. Take note that sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Sin square x plus. So take note that sin square x plus cos square x is 1. Is equal to 1. So in this case, we can just rewrite this now as 1, 0, 0, 1 as our final answer. Check it now. We have 1, 0, 0, 1. So our final answer. So this is one part. We can also try a question which is a equal to 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 minus 1. Let's try this. So we should find a raised to power 3. So we are going to try it out. 2, 1, 2, 1, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 minus 1. So we have a equal to this. Now we are told to find a raised to power 3. To find a raised to power 3, all we just need to do is to multiply a by a. Then we now multiply a again. It's a squared by so we use this minus 2 minus 1. We multiply a by a first. 2, 1, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 minus 1. So we have this. We take it step by step. We have 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 1 times 1, which is 1, plus 2 times 2, which is what? 4. And in this part, we have 2 times 1, which is what? 2. Then we have 1 times 2, which is what? 2. In this part, we have 2 times minus 2, which is minus 4. In this part, we have 2 times 2, which is 4. 1 times minus 2, which is minus 2. 2 times minus 1, which is minus 2. 1 times 2, which is 2. So in this part now, we have 1 times 2, which is 2. We have 1 times 2, which is 2. 2 times 1, which is 2. Minus 2 times 2, which is minus 4. 1 times 1, which is 1. Plus 2 times 2, which is 4. Minus 2 times minus 2, which is minus 4. 1 times 2, which is 2. You take it like this. 2 times minus 2, which is minus 4. Minus 2 times minus 1, which is minus 2. That is going to be 2 because minus times minus. Minus times minus is plus. So in this place, minus 2 times minus 1 will give you 2. Then in this last part, we have 2 times 2, which is 4. We have minus 2 times 1, which is minus 2. Minus 1 times 2, which is minus 2. 2 times 1, which is 2. Minus 2 times 2, which is minus 4. Minus 1 times minus 2, which is plus 2. 2 times 2, which is 4. Minus 2 times minus 2, which is plus 4. Minus 1 times minus 1, which is plus 1. And from what we have here, we have 4 plus 1 plus, and this will give us 9. This will give us 0. To give us 0. This will give us 0. This will give us 0. 2 minus 2 will give us minus 2 plus 2, which is 0. 2 minus 4, which is 4 minus 4, which is 0. 1 plus 4, which is 1 plus 4, which is 5. 5 minus 4, which is 1. 4 plus 4 plus this, okay, 9. So from what we have, so we have 2 times 2. So 1 times 1, which is 2. 2 times 2, which is 4. Minus 2 times minus 2, which is 4. So here it's supposed to give us 9. Okay, so we have 900, 090, 009. So now we are going to still multiply again. We're going to multiply a again. So multiply a again. So what we have here now is that we can get a raised to power 3. So this will give us 900, 090, 009 times, we're going to multiply it now. We're going to multiply it. So it's going to be multiplied by a. We come and check what a is here. A is 212. So a we have here is 212. 1, 2 minus 2, 2 minus 2 minus 1. So we're going to multiply it, and from what we have here, 9 times 2 is 18, plus 0 times 1, which is 0. 0 times 2, which is 0. The next part, 9 times 1, which is 9, plus 0 times 2, which is 0, plus 0 times minus 2, which is 0. 9 times 2, which is 18. 0 times this, 0. 0 times this, 0. So 0 times 2 is 0. 9 times 2 is 9. 0 times 2, 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times 1 is 0. 9 times 2 is 18. 0 times minus 2 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 9 times minus 2 is minus 18. 0 times minus 1 is 0 times minus 1 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times minus 2. 0 times 2. 0 times 1 is 0. 9 times 2 is 18. 0 times 1 is 0. 0 times 2 is 0. 9 times minus 2 is minus 18. 0 times 2 is 0. 0 times minus 2 is 0. 9 times minus 1 is minus 9. So from what we have here, we have 18, 9, 18, 9, 18, minus 18, 18, minus 18, minus 9. So let's check if we are correct. We have 18, 9, 18, 9, 18, minus 18, and we have finally 18, minus 18, minus 9. So we are able to get 8 a raised to power 3. So if you want to get a raised to power 3, all you just need to do is to multiply a by a first. Then after multiplying a by a by a will give you a square. So it's a square times a. So you just multiply a by a first, then you now add and multiply another a again to get a raised to power 3. So I think we have another question. Let's check this question out. So we have 2, 1, 2, 1, 3 minus 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. So we take it like this, take it like this, we take it like this, take it like this. So first part, to multiply this, we start from 2 times 1, because 2 times 1, 1 times 0, plus times 0. 2 times 1 again, plus 1 times 1. 3 times 1, plus minus 1 times 0. That will give us 0 anyway, so no need to even write that. In this part, we have 3 times 1. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 1 plus minus 1 times 1, which is minus 1 times 1. So from what we have here, we have 2. We put this bracket. 2, 0. 2 plus 1. 3 plus 0. We have 3 minus 1. And from what we have here, we have 2, 3, 3, 2. 2 3 3 2. So you see the answer here, 2 3 3 2. The same thing. So we have a question like this now. To solve this kind of question, we're told to find XA. In this question, we're told to find XA. So we can check this out using what we have. We have 3, 4, 3, 4, 2, 5. Then we have 3, 4. So we're told to multiply 3, 4 with 3, 4, 2, 5. So this will give us, what I will do now, I will find a question like this now. We see this question now. We have this question here, which is 2 minus 3, 1, 3. We have xy equal to 1 over 2. So to solve this, what you just have to do, let me write it out first. 2 minus 3, 1, 3, xy 1, 2. We have 1, 2. So to solve this, all you just need to do is to open up the bracket. We have 2 times x. It's going to be like this. 2 times x is 2x minus 3y. 1 times x, which is x, plus 3y. So this is equal to 1, 2. We are going to compare what we have into. We're going to break it into. Equations now. So this is equal to 1. This is equal to 2. Now, observe very well. If you are adding these two together, this will go. So what we now have is going to be 3x equal to 3, and this will give us x equal to 1. So if we have x is 1, how can we get y? You know that 2x minus 3y equal to 1. So 2 into 1 minus 3y equal to 1. To give you 2 minus 3y equal to 1. Minus 3y equal to 1 minus 2, which is minus 1 equal to minus 3y. So we have that y is equal to 1 over 3. So we see here now we got y to be 1 over 3 here. We got x to be 1.